Hi and welcome to my 2-minute tips for the best life. I'm Coach Marta. Today I'll be talking about the importance of exploration in our daily lives. Watch my mental fitness 1 and 2 videos to get caught up on the idea behind mental fitness, saboteurs, and sage powers, and learn how to turn life obstacles into opportunities. Our best self has numerous superpowers, and one of them we call explore power. Explores our deep curiosity and embracing beginner's mind so that we can discover uncharted things about ourselves and life. Emotions that accompany the sage power are curiosity, fascination, openness, awe, and wonder. To practice this power, think of how these emotions materialize in your body. Is there a certain way of being that your body adopts when you become fascinated? A great time to use this power is when we want to know and fully understand what is going on about us, about others, and about circumstances before coming to conclusions, decisions, or actions. To practice your explore power, you can play the fascinated anthropologist game. Imagine that you are an anthropologist traveling to a remote area. You would enter that world without applying your old judgments from your country of origin. You wouldn't tell Papua New Guinea natives that their bread is not as good as the one in the French bakery down the street from you. It's also easy to access your explored sage power by imagining a person that really embodies it for you. It could be someone you know, like your wide-eyed nephew, or a fictional character like Pippi Longstocking. Once you have the person in mind, imagine what they would do, say, or feel in the situation you're in. In practicing explore power, we will undoubtedly battle with confirmation bias, the tendency of our mind to only see what we have already seen. Each of the saboteur limits your exploration to provide more confirmation for its existing viewpoint, and avoid discovering what might challenge that viewpoint. To find out how each saboteur specifically interferes with explore power, follow the link below. If you'd like to grow your explorer power, join my mental fitness group coaching program. In the program, you practice 15 minutes a day for 6 weeks, and you build a strong base for your mental fitness. The results are lasting, and truly, your life will never be the same. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.